Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.